Let's continue with the inequalities. So what is the smallest integer x can take if this inequality holds? X over 3 plus 3x plus 2 over 4 is lower than 2x minus 5. So what we can do here is, on the left hand side, we can do fraction sum. But what we are going to do is, what I'm going to do is, I will multiply both sides of this inequality by 12. Since I multiply both sides with the same number, 12, the inequality doesn't change. And the reason I'm multiplying both sides by 12 is because by multiplying the left hand side by 12, I will get rid of the fractions. So let's continue from here. On the left hand side, what we will have is 12 times x over 3 plus 12 times 3x plus 2 over 4. And on the right hand side, what we will have is 24x minus 60. Now on left hand side, we can see that this 3 will be gone, this will be 4, this will go, and this one will be 3. So what we are left with is, on the left hand side, we will have 4x plus 3 times 3x plus 2, and on the right hand side we will have 24x minus 60. Now let's continue again. On the left hand side we will have 4x plus 9x plus 6. Right hand side will be the same. So here we will have 13x plus 6 lower than 24x minus 60. I will pass 13x to right hand side and minus 60 to the left hand side of the inequality. So I will have 11x greater than 66. From here I will divide both sides of the inequality by 11. So I will have x greater than 6. The question asks, what is the smallest integer x can take? X is greater than 6. So the smallest integer x can take is, x minimum is 7. So we solved this question
with ease, with the greatest of ease.
How many integer values x can take if minus 4 is lower than 4 minus 3x over 5, which is lower than or equal to 11? In order to find the solution interval of x, I need to leave x alone. Therefore, the first thing I'm gonna do is I will multiply all sides by 5. Therefore, I will have minus 20 lower than 4 minus 3x lower than or equal to 55. So by multiplying 5, I got rid of the fraction. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to subtract 4 from all sides of the inequality. Therefore, I will have minus 24 lower than minus 3x lower than or equal to 51. Right now I have minus 3x on the middle of the inequality. Therefore, I will divide all sides by minus 3. When I divide all sides by minus 3, the inequality symbols will change to their opposites because minus 3 is a negative number, and as you know, when we multiply or divide all sides of inequality by the negative number, the inequality symbol changes to its opposite. So when I divide all sides by minus 3, I will get 8 greater than x greater than or equal to 51 over minus 3 is minus 17. Therefore, the integer values x can take are from minus 17 up to 7. The reason is because x can be equal to minus 17, but it cannot be equal to 8. So let's calculate how many values are there in this set. Last term minus first term over difference between consecutive elements plus 1 gives us the number of elements in a set. Last term is 7. First term is minus 17 over difference between consecutive elements is 1 plus 1. This gives us 24 over 1 plus 1, and that is
25.
All right, looks like we're done here.